In this lesson for Nik Software's Viveza 2, we'll take a look at utilizing the ability to adjust levels and curves within the interface, which is a new feature for Viveza 2, as well as a new feature called shadow adjustments. In this case, we'll start off by increasing the contrast in the overall scene of the photograph by introducing a little bit of an S-curve to our levels and curves. So as you can see, I'll just introduce just a bit of an S-curve here to overall increase the contrast to my photograph. Next, you'll notice that we've blocked up our shadow in this area of the hair just a bit, and so the hair's kind of lost detail. Well, we can simply place a control point in that area. I'll bring the size down to just encompass just that area. And then if you'll notice, we can hit the collapse expand triangle, and now I have access to the shadow adjustment slider. As I increase the shadow adjustment, you can see that detail coming back in her hair, which is a really great benefit for us. Now the next thing we might notice is that there's a little subtle difference between the hair color in the shadow area that was the shadow area and then the highlight area on top. And in order to match those, let's just come down to the color picker right next to the color patch, and I'll place that color picker right in the highlight in her hair. And so with one click, it matched in tonality to the area in the shadow. It really is a big help for photographers. Next, let's do this. We noticed that her skin got a little bit more contrasty, so I'll place a control point on her skin. Again, increasing the size to encompass all of her skin. And then I'm just going to bring the brightness up very slightly. I want to bring down the saturation just a little, and at the same time I want to bring down structure slightly to minimize any fine lines or imperfections in her skin. So basically, here's our before and after, and you can see that we've really done a nice job of editing this picture, and it really goes quickly, smoothly, and the ability to work with global adjustments as well as selective control points really makes the editing process very, very smooth, very intuitive, and very quickly.